Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add Ticketmaster tickets to Apple Wallet. It's important to clarify that adding Ticketmaster tickets to Apple Wallet is generally a process initiated within the Ticketmaster app itself, rather than directly adding them from within the Apple Wallet app. Here's a breakdown of the typical procedure. Number 1, you have to access your tickets in the Ticketmaster's app. That is, open the Ticketmaster app on your iPhone. Log into your Ticketmaster account. Go to My Events to locate the tickets you wish to add to your Apple Wallet. Tap on the event that you want to add to your wallet. Tap on the ticket that you want to add to your wallet. Within the ticket details, you should see an Add to Apple Wallet option. Tap this option. Follow the on-screen prompt to confirm and add the ticket to your Apple Wallet. Once you've added these tickets, your tickets will be available in your Apple Wallet app. You can access them at any time, even without an internet connection. It's as simple as that. It's important to note that the primary method for adding Ticketmaster tickets to Apple Wallet is through the Ticketmaster app. Also, ensure that your Ticketmaster app and iOS are up to date for optimal compatibility. Not all tickets may be eligible for adding to Apple Wallet. This can depend on the venue or the event. If you encounter issues, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try restarting the Ticketmaster app. If problems persist, consult Ticketmaster's official help resources. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully add your Ticketmaster tickets to your Apple Wallet for easy access.